Hey there, folks. It's Joe Crawford. We are looking at the ArtLung CSS Battle Plugins page on GitHub. That recently had this issue here. Which is the suggestion made by Scooter2103. Hey, let's use PC units. And so that now exists. The latest version of the code includes that change. So let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. And I will. Oh, look at that. So let's show you that working. So if I do 96 and then 100 pixels, so we got two values here. We're not even working on the puzzle yet. But if I run unit replace on this, 96 pixels turns into 6PC, right? So that's shorter. So basically, it's a really straightforward thing. And then 100 pixels becomes 25 VW. That's what the unit replacement plugin does. And if you have that installed, it'll make these changes. And if you don't like it, there's always undo. Always possible. Anyway, so yeah, check it out. If you've got feedback, leave an issue in the GitHub plugin. It is always linked. It's linked on all the videos if that interests you. There's no money in it for me. There's no money for you. It's just for fun. But it's a shorthand for a lot of different stuff that I do and make. All right. So let's do this. What is this, a face? Is this a face? I think it's a face. All right. So definitely has me feeling like this is a single element, a paragraph element. And if we put the background on it, then we do a box shadow. Probably down 40 pixels, so 40 pixels. And it's not very tall, 50, 70. So, okay. So we've kind of got the thing there. All right, let's do it. If we've got a single element, we can put the margins in either place. I like to put it on the paragraph element itself. 60, 80, 90, 85. 85 looks right. 100. Basically, we're shaping that paragraph element. 1, 2, 3, 132, and 8. And now we need a border radius. What is it, 25 pixels? Although sometimes we can do just a 1 inch. Okay. So then what? So we have these shapes are made, but clearly we have this other thing going on. So what I'll do is create a circle, radial gradient, which is dark in the middle, and then yellow, 2 pixels, and as a 1Q to make it be a real circle, 30 pixels. Radial gradient 1Q, and we have the same value for each. That's no good. It needs to be dark in the middle, and we move it down. 0, 10 pixels, 5 pixels, 7 pixels, and 50%. So now we have 2 circles. So this is kind of a mess. So that inner circle is what, around 15 pixels? 15 pixels. Okay. Okay, now the width of this background, 40, 50, 60, 70. 0 minus 20 pixels. minus 15 pixels, 10 pixels. There it is. Okay, so now we've made that. Let's put red in the background. Oh, we have nothing. So what we need then next is transparent. There we go. We got a few issues. I think this radius needs to be more, 35. 25. That looks a little better. So we have a width and we have a height as well, and probably we need to give this a height of So I'm setting a height on this so that it doesn't repeat. I could also set a no repeat or a repeat. Oh, I could set a repeat X too, but instead yeah, see, that's not a good number. That's 200 pixels. And then set this 10, 20, minus 20, minus 25, minus 15. So that position is going to be dependent on exactly how we set this guy. Okay, so, all right. So we get the eyeball part of that. Is that good? It's not totally exciting. So what shape do we need? We've got to fill in that, and we need a straight part that's dark, and then this clear part, and then dark again. So I think I'm going to go conic gradient, and I'm going to use a technique which I often use when I've got something really specific. I'll use super weird colors, and I'm going to set a no repeat. So no repeat, and I'm going to do green, 25%, red, 0, 50%, yellow, 0, 75%, and blue, 0. And I'm missing a comma, so nothing works. There we go. So we got a no repeat. Now I'm going to put it in the upper corner, 0, 0. And then I'm going to give it a width, 100 pixels. So I want that hard edge, I would like to be at a certain width, 50, 60, 70. There we go. So this is what I'm looking for. Now I need the center of that to be moved over at 40 pixels, comma, 40, 50, and then I think lower than that, 20 pixels, 20, 30, 31, 32, 32. It's kind of interesting that we've got, I'm going to let it repeat, see where that leads us. Could this be right? The fact that that blue is poking up is not great. I don't like that blue is there. All right, let's put some real colors in here. So we want the blue to be, okay. The green also is that. And the red is that as well. And then this is transparent. That might do it. Let's submit and see if we're at 100%. So 2 gradients, one for the circles and then a conic gradient for the rest of it. And it is shaped pretty weird. Okay, we got some tuning we need to do here. So we can remove that. And we've also got this, if I remove this one and go 75%, and I do from minus 90 degrees. Oh, I've broken it. Oh, there we go. And I think that is. So we remove some of those color stops, which is, helpful. We can also remove this last color stop on the transparent. What other changes can we make? Submit. That's pretty good. Let's do the unit replace. None of these are PC. I was hoping that one of these would be PC, but no such luck. That's okay. It's still, I know it's working, so that's great. Okay. What else can we do? I think that's it. Minify, you replace again. Oh, I already did that. And that is one way to solve this particular puzzle. And that's a fine score. Pretty good for a Friday or Saturday in some parts of the world. Fun little face, I guess. Maybe. Anyway, have a good day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And go make a web page. I'll see you tomorrow.